My kids love the EcoHero show.
Phenomenal.
Fantastic.
The kids had a blast.
They love the music, they love the hip-hop beats.
They'll learn a lot about how to take care of our planet.
Hello, I'm Mr. Eco, creator of the EcoHero show.
We believe that monumental change begins with youth and combine our passions for hip-hop and sustainability to create the EcoHero show that uses music to empower students to become eco-heroes who know they can change the world. If we reached out to you, your city or county sponsored us, allowing us to give the show to you at no cost. That is right, 100% sponsored.
Our mission is what drives us.
We have performed for more than 850 schools, reaching 425,000 students in 5 countries. Teachers often tell performers that their students have never been so engaged during an assembly. The show is essentially a concert. We introduce environmental topics, teach dances and songs to our music videos, and tell stories in between the songs. After the show, students share what they learned with their friends and families, encouraging them to be eco-heroes as well. Students watch the videos on YouTube, learn the lyrics, and the messages stick with them, hopefully for life. Whether you want to create, reinforce, or celebrate an eco-culture at your school, the EcoHero show is the show for you. Here are some music video clips to give you a sense of our content.
Be a little bug, don't be a little bug, don't be a little bug. If you see little, better pick it. EcoHero symbols up. Eco, let go.
I'm a superhero, an eco-hero, I'm a superhero.
We look forward to visiting your school. Deuces.
It's just time for me to go out and make history, 'cause I'm a hero, you're a hero, we're eco-heroes.